Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for your continuous support. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. Today, I will be showing you how to do the perfect, simple, and natural brows. So stay tuned and we'll jump right in. I usually start with just brushing my brow hair. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade to draw my brows. There's like 4 different ways in which and 4 different things I could use for my brows, but this is just one of the ways. And I think this color I used was ebony. I will link it down below. I love it because it's really pigmented. So I start by just going in the direction of hair growth, adding some of the pomade into my brow hairs. Majority of the time, if you notice, I'm going in the direction of the hair growth, and I just saturate it as much as I can with upward strokes. Brush the hairs to look as natural as they can. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. Now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm just gonna go ahead with some concealer, some really light concealer, and start applying it. Please note I'm starting with the direction of hair growth, and then I'm just gonna sweep it gently towards the center, but minimally and lightly. You don't want to use too much concealer here. I'm gonna do brows last, girl. I can still do it first. If I want like a really bold look with some dramatic brows, I would probably start with my brows first. But I'm just in the habit now of like doing my brows last, and I find that I'm able to get a clean look that does match the makeup. So it's all a thing of preference. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. Okay, now I'm just going in with a little bit of powder to set that concealer. You want to always set your concealer every time you use a concealer. Just really little. I didn't add anything to the cover of that powder. I just used the leftovers from baking my under eyes. Now I'm just powdering the center to make it look more natural. Upward strokes. Now I'm just adding some highlighter to make it pop. I know some people don't have to add the highlighter all the way to the end of the brows. Sometimes I do that because I love how it looks in pictures. And there you go.